Hey there, welcome to today's video. Let me jump right in there. Alright, let's get started. With a whopping amount of $238 billion, you also must have heard of Elon Musk, the richest man in the world. You should, however, know that one of his major sources of income is being a CEO, an early investor, and a product architect for Tesla. Tesla is also a company that makes lithium-ion battery storage and solar panels. The company's area of specialization, which is transitioning the world to the usage of more sustainable energy, and that's what makes the company a futuristic one. As far back as 8 years ago, Tesla stock sold for about $30, but now it has increased over 2,500%, and there's still prospects that the Tesla stock is still going to increase. And in less than 10 years, the stock price will hit $2,500. But how will the stock price of TSLA that moves with very little news flow increase to $2,500 in less than 10 years? Hit the like and subscribe button to get more notifications of our videos that promise to be educational and informative. One of the things that will make Tesla very valuable in the future is the increase in the demand for its products. As said earlier, Tesla specializes in making electric cars, and these cars are so good that the demand for them has increased rapidly. Just in the last quarter of 2021, Tesla recorded the delivery of 308,600 cars, which was 72% higher than what they delivered in 2020. This increment in demand for Tesla vehicles is gradually increasing their stock, and it will continue to grow steadily because of the efficiency of the vehicles. Throughout 2021, Tesla delivers close to 1 million cars, and these deliveries indicate the sale of the cars, which means that Tesla sold close to 1 million cars last year. What makes this intriguing is the fact that more Tesla delivers, the more their stock rises. This is seen when upon the massive delivery of their cars last year, the stock experienced about 13% surge. This is a very good investment if you want to invest in stocks. What makes Tesla's stock more enticing is the fact that Elon Musk, remember him? The CEO of Tesla and the richest man in the world, said that the company wants to increase vehicle sales to about 20 million in a year over the next 9 years. And the company is already working towards achieving the goal, as it is about to start production of the Model Y vehicle, which takes 32.9% of the market share in the new factory in Austin, Texas. This is another advantage in play for Tesla, which would consequently increase the company's stock price. If you ask a child about an electric vehicle brand, odds are the child will say Tesla. That is how big the company is regarding peers in the same specialization. Tesla has advanced far more than its peers in the world of producing electric vehicles, and this will mostly increase the stock price. There are at least 5 different areas where Tesla beats the competition hands down. First, it's Tesla's battery supply chain. Tesla is a company that deals with conserving energy, which earned them the name Battery Company, and the battery capacity of their vehicles beats that of competitors. Tesla partnered with Panasonic Cells to make their batteries, and there are 4 varieties of cars regarding the battery, and they are the Model Y, S, X, and 3. Also, as regards branding, Tesla tops their competitors. This is why many people would want the Tesla electric vehicles more than their competition, because of the branding. For instance, Tesla makes appealing electric cars. Tesla's Model 3 vehicles sold 3 times more than any other electric vehicle in 2019. Furthermore, Tesla's AI is far more advanced than that of its competitors. Elon Musk had said that Tesla is not only for car production. He said the company is into robotics as well. Because of this diversification, Tesla's AI has developed 10 times better than that of any other electric car in the world. For instance, Tesla has the highest level of full self-driving package. The 5th edge Tesla has over other electric car producing companies is the better system update. All these edges that Tesla, TSLA, has over the competition make it far better, and this increases their stock because they are leading their field. And as a result of this, Tesla's stock continues to grow steadily. For instance, the global EV market share in the first of 2021 puts Tesla at 14.55%, which gave the company the lead. The estimates of the company continue to move higher, and this is good news for the company's stock. With the sales of about 11,750 Model S/X cars in the last quarter of 2021, in which 17% is subject to lease. The consensus figure Tesla made in the 4th quarter of 2021 is around $16.31 billion. billion, which is around a 52% year-over-year rise in revenue. This is a big feat for Tesla, and many analysts have predicted that the revenues will most likely continue to increase, since it has over the years. The increment in the Tesla revenue makes for increment in stocks. Right now, Tesla's estimates are moving up because there have been 26 upward revisions as opposed to one downward revision. And as things are going, it is most likely that estimates will continue to increase. One thing that makes Tesla special is the fact that the company always achieves more than what analysts have predicted. It is like a special power reserved only for Tesla. In the third quarter of 2021, analysts predicted that Tesla would deliver 47 cents in EPS, but Tesla delivered a whopping $1.45 in EPS. The company has exceeded the agreed expectation by analysts by 14% in the last 4 quarters. The immense delivery that occurred in the fourth quarter alone last year not only beat what the analysts have expected, but it was also way more than what they expected. This increment in revenue due to the outperformance of the company reflects positively on the stocks of the company as a result of the unanticipated EPS result. Because of this massive outperformance, Tesla has been consistent with it. The company is likely going to hit about $18 billion with an EPS worth of around $2.66. This dynamic would bring the stock price of the company up to the roof. And the more revenue Tesla makes and the higher the EPS gets, the higher the stock price. It is true that with a company like Tesla, the stock price can be somewhat volatile. However, that still hasn't stopped the company from surprising everyone. For instance, for the last 4 quarters, it was estimated that Tesla would have $3.61 EPS. However, the company ended up with a whopping $3.94 EPS, which consequently increased the stock price more than many analysts had anticipated. The increment of the EPS was about 9% more than the consensus estimate of prudent analysts. Tesla as a company was never thought to be this great, as it is a very valuable company in the world, and from the many activities this company dabbles in, it would certainly be one of the most valuable companies in the future. However, how about the next 5 to 10 years? What does the future hold for Tesla? As stated earlier, Tesla had up to 87% delivery volume in 2021, and there is a high propensity that the delivery volume of 2022 will be more as the electric cars made by the company are in high demand. This makes the stock price of the company get more value, and this has led many analysts into putting the median target at $1,049, with a possible increment to $1,586. According to Wallet Investor's algorithm, in the year to come, it is very likely for Tesla's stock price to increase up to $1,438, and the algorithm projected that in the next 5 years, the stock should have increased up to $3,088. The demand for electric vehicles is now on the rise in the world. For instance, about 3.3 million cars were sold in China, about 2.32 million highway plugins in the United States, and up to 5.5 million plugins in Europe. This simply depicts that the world is gradually tilting from cars that use gasoline to electric cars, and it seems to be increasing every year. What makes this fact beneficial for Tesla is that there is a growing market for electric cars, and being the #1 company in the world that manufactures electric cars, the plentiful days are yet to come. And this would increase their revenue, which would consequently increase the stock price. Another interesting fact about the reason why Tesla's stock is bound to increase over the years is because of the various results of observation by pundits. For instance, the IBD stock checkup tool stipulates that Tesla stock has an IBD composite rating of 91 out of 99, which makes it validly strong for anyone willing to invest. Also, according to IBD, Tesla stock has 84 out of 99 for relative strength rating. This means that the stock is both strong with lots of promise for the future. Tesla is a company formed by a group of engineers, but at first, many people didn't believe that it was possible for them to succeed until Tesla made its models available to everyone. Now, the idea of just a couple of engineers is a multi-billion-dollar company. The company is still willing to carry out some other activities in the future that have intrigued many people to want to be a part of it, and you can be a part of Tesla too through their stock. In the initial stages of the company, the stock price was about $30, but by the end of 2021, it had increased to a whopping $1,209. However, many would believe that this is the most bullish the stock price can go, and their belief is being corroborated by facts since the stock price has reduced to just $880.90, which is because the year just began. However, that's how the stock market works. Sometimes it goes up, and sometimes it goes down. Many analysts believe that when the rapid growth of the market and the company before the decade runs out, the stock price will increase up to $2,500 or more. This is a result of the observation of the expanding market for the electric cars being produced by the company and the expansion of the company to meet up with the demand that is about to hit them. But there you go. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to support our channel, and this way you'll also get more awesome videos like these. See you soon.